I've got this coconut jam and it was solid as a rock, and as you can see the oil has floated to the top, so I've put it in hot water. And I got a sharp knife and I jabbed at it. As you can see, I didn't bother taking the label off from the side, but that's alright. I got hot water from the kettle, put it into the, in this case, a metal tin, and put a lid over the top and just left it for a while. And it seems to have melted it pretty well. I'm sure I could do better, but I'll give it a jab and we'll mix it up a bit and we'll go from there. If you like what you see, do touch the like button. There's a few videos which are a lot older than this on this channel and at Camp Coconut, but we'll try and upload some more as we go along. Thanks for watching.